Hey guys, PNY Prepper here. Just want to update you on what I got today. I'm modding my AR pistol. This is a KRINKOV style AR muzzle brake. So KRINKOVs are short barreled rifles or shorter versions of the AK-47. So it fires the 7.62 by 39 round. It's a reliable gun. The AK platform is reliable. Plus, they changed the muzzle brake to this kind of muzzle brake to cycle it properly. Okay, so there are three types now of KRINKOV AR muzzle brakes. This is the two-piece design. There's the three-piece and there's a one-piece. The two-piece and the three-piece muzzle brakes are made of industrial grade steel, while the one-piece AR KRINKOV muzzle brake is made of aluminum.
I wasn't logged in.
These are heat treated. They are made of solid machine construction, and the finish is black oxide, and it measures 3.4 inches. They did not mention the weight, but I weighed it on my digital scale. It comes at 8.3 ounces, and it's threaded for the any 5.56 or 223 ARs, 1/2 by 28. Okay, so like I said, it's a two-piece design. There's a cone shape inside to channel the excess pressure backwards to cycle your bolt. Okay, and then what is good about this muzzle brake compared to the bird cage, see the portings, the blast goes up, so especially when you put this in a pistol or a shorter version. This is a 10.5 inch barrel, so there are 7.5. See, when I shoot this and shoulder it, it's just a few inches away from my face. So the portings on the bird cage is going up. Some muzzle brakes have sideward portings. Sometimes the shock blast will get you in the face or the people besides you. While using this kind of muzzle brake, all the noise and all the blasts are going forward, so it makes it comfortable for you to shoot a short barreled rifle or an AR pistol. Okay, before I forget, it came in this box. Got this from this company, Mass Defense LLC. They're not paying me to do this. I just want to share with you where to get it. You know, the cheapest one, the best deal. I got this for $34.95. I searched on other sites like eBay. They were selling this for $45 up to $90. On Amazon, I think they were selling this for $45 or $49. Okay, so at this company, it's the first time I ordered from that company, Mass Defense LLC. It only cost me $34.95 plus $5 shipping. Okay, so when you put this on the AR, it just looks meaner. See? Imagine the blast all going there, going that way. Oh, and before I go, the first time you break it down into two pieces, I put it in a vise. You just have to protect
Yeah, I can't come.
the metal parts. I use duct tape, electrical tape, and then there's a notch in here, so it will fit. I saw another review here on YouTube saying that, hear the story that these were used, you know, the original KRINKOVs, they use this to cut wires. When you put the wire in the center and just shoot, it will cut it. I don't know if it's true, but it's easier to use this type of method. You put it here and then twist while you need something to hold the other end, so that you can tighten it or you can untighten it when you put it, when you break it down. Okay, so that's it for now. An update on my upgrade for my AR pistol. Thanks for watching.